How to block on Instagram. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up Instagram. And once you do that, you need to go to the profile of the person that you want to block. Say, for example, this one right here. Once you're there, click on the three dots at the top right corner of your screen, and from the given list, click on block. A confirmation box will appear that tells you what will happen when you block this person. Click on block to confirm, and this person will be blocked. So that was it for this video. That's how you can block people on Instagram. If you have any questions, as usual, please leave them in the comment section down below. And with that said, I will see you in the next video.